wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everyone, before we start our lesson today, let's reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, first of all, I want to ask you about the attendance list. Okay, so but before you say the present, you need to say out loud what you're feeling today. So, for example, I want to ask Nazifa. So you need to say I'm happy and present. You need to say what you're feeling today. Okay? Okay. So first of all, Rayhana.
I'm full and I'm present.
Okay. The second one, Azaria.
I'm very good today.
Okay. And present. Okay. And then Mutia Ali.
I'm good and I'm present.
Okay. Ahmad Rakan.
I'm sleepy and I'm present.
Okay. Nazifa Hanun.
I'm ready and I'm present.
Okay. And then Hasmi Randy.
Super excited.
Okay. And then Cantika Nurul.
I'm ready and I'm present.
Okay. So most of us are ready. Okay. Do you guys remember what we learned before this lesson?
Descriptive.
Yeah, correct. It's about descriptive text. It's like talking about description people, right? Okay. And now we would like to also describing related to people, but it's not a people. Okay. But before we start, we need to know the classroom rules. In our class, we need to do our best. Okay. First of all, be respectful. We need to respect to others, people, to our friends, and also to the teacher. And then engage actively. So I hope you guys active in this class. And then stay responsible to the worksheet and like the others. And then the last one, think positively. Please always think positively and in this class so we can make like positive atmosphere. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then like I said before, we learn about expressing intention. Expressing, mengungkapkan, intention, niat. Jadi bahasa Indonesianya expressing intention, mengungkapkan niat. Seperti itu. Okay, so our learning objective, first of all, understand the meaning of expressing intention. What is the meaning of expressing intention itself? And then identify the function of expressing intention. So what is the function actually? Tujuan dari expressing intention itu what is that? And then understand the structure and language feature. We need to understand how to use it and what's the language feature that expressing intention have. And then the last one, use expressing intention in daily life. So we not only learn about it, we need to know how to use it in daily life. Okay? Okay, taking pause. Okay, before we start our lesson, I want to have something. It's like a mini quiz, and you need to answer together. Okay? So you need to guess the person that will come to the to the projector, and then you need to say what he's doing, like what their job or something like that. Yeah, the job that she done. Okay. Singer. That's right. The next one.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, that's right. What is he doing?
Scientist.
Yeah, that's right. Scientist. Next one.
Charlie.
What is he doing?
Excel.
Charlie Chaplin.
Okay.
Apparently comedy.
What is it? Do you do this?
Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, that's right. Abraham Lincoln. What is he doing?
First President USA.
Yeah, that's right. And the last one.
Oh, singer.
Ane. Begitu dengeran.
Oh yeah. What is he doing?
Singer.
Yeah, that's right.
Gitaris.
Okay, that's all, guys. So that's like the brief of introduction of our
Oh,
lesson.
problemnya apa ya teman-teman?
And then, okay. So now we learn about what is expressing intention. Expressing intention is an expression used to show or tell someone's plans, goals, or intention in the future. So this is for the plans, and then your goals your intention in the future. So how you tell your intention and the goals in the future. The example is, I am going to study harder this semester. So this is like your goals, right? Not what you're doing now. And then she wants to join the English competition. And then this is also the intention or the goals. No, they're not doing it already. And then, what is the function of expressing intention? Like we talked before, tell future plans, and then express goal or purpose, show willingness to do something, share personal intention. So this is mostly about what you wanna do in the future. Something like that. And then, so what is the structure or formula that you can use in expressing intention? First of all, you can use want to. So the formula is subject. You know? Do you guys know what is subject?
Yes.
Yes. What the example of subject?
That's right.
And then,
You.
yeah, that's right.
They.
Yeah. Okay. So you already know the subject. And then, yeah, that's right also. And then, so what is that? We use and then want or wants. If you use want, what is this for? Want without s.
One.
I mean, there's a difference between want and wants, right? The want is for I, you, they, we. Yeah, correct. And then wants is for
He. She.
it. That's correct. So there's a difference, right? And then you use verb want. So the example, I want to learn English, of she wants, use as, right, to be a doctor. And then using be, going to. The formula is subject, to be, going to, and verb. Do you remember what is to be?
Is
Correct. It's are. Yeah, that's right. And then you also use the verb one. So the example is, I'm going to study tonight. They are going to play football. Okay. Do you have any question about this? Or are you clear?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so you clear. Okay. Next is using would like to. This is also subject and then would like to and then verb one. The example is, I would like to travel abroad. Okay, you understand this one? Would I like to? Okay, and then next is using plan to, because before the function is to, what is that? Understanding, to retell about your plans, and you also we use this plan to. Okay, subject plan to and then verb one also. The example is, we plan to visit my grandma. Okay, so do you guys recognize what the same similarity of all of the formula? The similarity.
Verb one.
Correct. They use verb one. So all of these what is that? Expressing intention use verb one. Even though like this plan to or would like to is different, they still use a verb one. Okay. Okay, so we have a dialogue example. Do you guys want to read this? Anybody want to volunteer?
Akan.
Okay, two of you. Let me explain.
Hah?
Hi Raka, what are you going to do after school today?
Hey Rara, I'm going to study for my What about you?
I want to study
Okay.
English at home because I want to improve my speaking skill.
Wow, sounds great. Are you trying to join this competition?
Yes, I am. I would like to join the speech contest this year.
Awesome. I plan to support you. We can study together sometime.
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
Okay, so let's refine the language feature before. Do you guys find the language feature that we talked before?
Going to.
Going to?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. And then what else?
I want to.
Yeah, that's right. I want to. And what else?
I would like to.
That's right. Okay. Do you find another? There's one again that you have. I think you haven't mentioned it.
You can.
Have you mentioned
I
this?
would like to join.
Oh, you already.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay, that's good job. You did a good job. And then, instead of that, let's we check. What is Raka going to do after school?
Playing basketball.
Alright.
Basketball.
Yes. And then the second one. Why does Dina want to study English?
improve my speaking skill.
Oh, I think, yeah, that's right. Speech contest, right? And then the last one. What competition does Dina want to join?
Speech contest.
Oh yeah. Okay, correct. So we need to give applause for everyone. Okay. And then it's time to practice.
Itu Cina apa Korea?
Okay, this is the time to practice. So I will give you this worksheet for everyone. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh yeah, you can take your. Okay, so the practice. First of all, actually this practice is about because like I said before, we need to know how to use the expressing intention in daily life. Okay, so you guys need to like have an interview with your friend. So maybe you can interview your like maybe nearest friend. First of all, stand up and walk around the classroom, and then interview at least 2 until 3 classmates in English, and then ask the question with your classmate. What are you going to do this weekend? What are your plans for the next 5 years? And then what do you want to be in the future? Okay. And then the answer of your friend, you need to write it at the table. And then you need to remember, guys, the rules is please be polite and respectful, and then speak loudly and clearly. Do not copy your friend's worksheet, and have fun and practice your English, okay? Don't forget to use the language feature that we learned before, okay? Okay. So please ask your friend about the plan, okay? Yeah. It's free, you can do.
Azhar.
Yeah.
Azhar.
Yeah, you can walk around the room or do
Of course.
whatever you want.
Going to build up my muscle in the gym.
Going to
Gym, yeah, going to gym.
We can plan.
swimming at the beach. What are your plans for the next 5 years? Azhar.
Become a rich person.
Swimmer after.
Yeah, I want to become a very rich for the next 5 years.
Oh, we become
Rich.
rich person.
Okay.
What do you want to be in the future? Azhar?
Cool uncle. Okay. Rekan, what are you going to do this weekend?
Celebrate Eid al-Adha. I'm going to celebrate Eid al-Adha.
Special soul close.
Okay.
What are you planning for the next 5 years, Rekan?
Are you good? Okay.
Next 5 years.
Okay. Pyramid ya.
2027.
Okay. 5 years.
Married.
So, what do you want to be in the next future?
Aku udah menjawab. Kamu mau jawab juga? Ini sekalian ya. Jawab sendiri. We can plan jogging.
Ayo, Mas.
Plan for 5 years.
Mas Randy.
Mas Randy.
Oh yeah.
5 years.
be teacher.
What are you going to do this weekend?
Okay. I think we will
Business.
see in the future.
Teacher job. Mau Presiden Indonesia. Okay.
Okay. I think it's done, everyone. The time is up. And don't forget the reflection.
Celebrate Eid al-Adha.
Classmate has the most
Yes.
interesting plan and play. Okay, so now it's time to present. Do you want anybody want to come here? Anybody want to come? Maybe Rakan? Yeah. Okay. Please. Rehana.
Bahkan tadi aku job, but I just have.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Celebrate
Okay.
Eid al-Adha.
First is Randy. We can plan going to swim. Plan for the next 5 years. Swimmer at plan.
Ooh.
And dream job is American president, going to be American.
Okay, amazing.
Okay, friend's name Nazifa, going to Gramedia. Plan for next 5 years is be teacher, and dream job is being teacher.
Okay, so maybe I have a question. Which classmate has the most interesting plan?
Randy.
Randy.
job.
Right.
I think it's so begins, and I
Miss.
miss and setuju.
I agree.
I agree with the dreams job.
Oh, okay.
Kenapa lagi tuh sih emaknya?
Okay, everyone. Finish. So yeah, we already finished this time, and then we need to do a reflection. First, I haven't shown it. Okay. So 3 things I understand today. What do you guys understand today? 3 things.
Asking politely.
Yeah, formula. Yeah, and then.
Yeah.
And then.
We need to ask politely to people.
Yeah, that's also you can use it. And then also the
Share.
function. What's the function of the expressing intention?
Asking people.
Yes, the people. You can do it also. And then about and also about the how we can expressing our plan, right? Yeah. And then last one. You learn about
Someone's plan.
summer plan. Yeah, you can also learn about that summer plan. And then also how to use the feature language of the expressing intention. Okay, 2 things I need to practice. What do you think? What do you think you need to improve?
Speaking and confidence skills.
Speaking skills and
And confidence.
confidence. Okay. And then do you have any question?
Are you happy today?
Okay, thank you so much. And then, okay. On a scale
5.
1 to 5, how confident do you feel about today's lesson?
5,
6. Okay.
6, 7.
Okay, why?
Because
Because the teacher is easy.
Thank you so much for today's lesson. And then, for our next meeting, we would like to practice in group. And what you need to prepare is you need to choose one dream that you want to be in group. Okay. So I think we need to count the group from now. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 8. So we need to make
1, 2,
one, 2 like that. So maybe from right. Group counting, yeah, we need to counting to make a group. Yeah.
1, 2, 1. 2.
Yes.
2.
Okay, so the first group, please decide what job that you will choose, and then the second group also find what job you will choose, and then the for the interaction we will discuss it until next week. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
That's
Sensei.
it. I think. Thank you so much for everyone, and I'm so sorry if I have a mistake in this class. And let's recite Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillah.